everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to change time on your Android device. Changing your time on your Android device is not a difficult task. In order to change time on your Android device, the first step that you need to take is open your settings. Your settings app is something that you can get while getting your phone, and here you'll have to simply tap open your settings. Once you have tapped on your settings app, here you'll be able to see various options. From here you'll have to scroll down, and somewhere along the options you can see general management. From here you'll have to tap on the general management option. Once you're on the general management page, here you can see once again various options. On the second, you can see date and time. In my Android device, it is located on the second. It can be located anywhere in your device. So you'll have to simply scroll and search for date and time. Once you have found your date and time option, tap on it. And from here you can see there are two options, that is automatic date and time, and on the below there is use 24-hour format. This is the setting that I have set in my Android device. If I turn them off, then here as you can see, there are more options that appeared here. Here you can now select your time zone, and you can select your date, and you can also set time. You'll have to tap on the third option, that is set time, and from here you can select the time that is currently on your place, and you can also choose whether it's AM or PM. And once you're done with that, you'll have to simply tap on the done option. And just like that, you'll have successfully changed your time on your Android device. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe. Have a good day.